Well, nothing much. It's our usual, festive period, courtesy visit, and a time for Mr. President to meet with his brothers, leaders of our party, the Governor's Advisory Council, GAC of Lagos State. It's something that they're always looking forward to, almost at every festive season or every time it comes around. And this is no exception. We all came around to felicitate with him, to pray with him, to wish him well, to say to him that Lagosians and everyone is happy with him, that we can feel, we can see the impact of what he has done in the last 2 years. And so to wish him well and to continue to say that he has our best wishes at all times, support, and really that's the most important. And coincidentally, if I dare say today, for us in Lagos in particular, earlier today, I don't know if you had seen it, I went to unveil our new Blue Line trains. I'll give you the clip of it, where at the National Arts Theatre, which we just received brand new, 12, 4 sets each of 3 new set of trains for the Blue Line. And at that unveiling, which was we made like a naming ceremony, we actually acknowledged and thanked Mr. President, because he actually made it happen for us. About a year and a half ago, he supported us and ensuring under, his intervention for subsidy removal and understanding that Lagos, will need additional means of transportation. He supported us, and that's just some of the things, we're talking about. So we're excited. We're truly, truly excited with what he has, and we're not just excited because he's our father, he's our leader. We're excited because we all can feel it. We can see it. For the first time, you see price of petroleum, pump price coming down. You see food prices coming down. So these are things that put money in citizens' pockets. So, if you've done well, let's say it. Let's say it. And I also want to use this opportunity to also admonish and to tell. We're hearing people also say in June 12, they want to protest. They want to then. There's what will be the basis? What will be the basis? And we're engaging them. We're talking to them to do what? In 2 years, give this president enough more time. The economy, you can see, has made a proper bend, a positive bend, and so all we need to do is to continue, to wish him well and see those effects, become reality, in the cost of goods, in cost of living, security of life and property. So these are the things that,
Excellency, it's good to know about these excitements and the pledge of loyalty and support. Any house cleaning at the meeting?
Well, nothing beyond the fact that he was very happy to see us, extremely very happy to see us. He was very excited that we are one big happy family, and we are not divided in any form, and we all honestly also pledge our full loyalty to him, to his government, as our leader, as our father, and it was unanimous. And he's charged us to ensure that the forthcoming local government election, which, we're all, that we should all go and do our very best and ensure that, we'll continue to keep the flag of the party flying.
That's what we need you to clarify.
Is you CND? Can't you see when you are smiling, I'm smiling? There's none. There are people that believe that they are more Catholic than the Pope. There are things that you see people, they cry more than they bereave. Father and son, are things that we always ensure that, we're glad. There's nothing at all. My father is my leader, and we're grateful that he has given us the audience today to come in and say hello to him.